How to change ChatGPT account password. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can change our ChatGPT's account password, so make sure to stick with me till the end. If you would like to change your ChatGPT account password, open up ChatGPT, go to login button, then just enter the email address, then tap on continue. Now it will ask us to enter the password. If you remember your password, that's perfectly fine. If you don't remember it and you want to change it, tap on the forgot password button. Then it will ask us to reset our password, so just tap on continue and it will send a reset link to our email. Now once we receive the email, go ahead and open up your email and then just check right over here to the email that you received, then tap on reset password. Then it will take you to this page where you can enter the new password without having to remember your old password. This way you can change your ChatGPT account password. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.